Are your fingers fat?
Yeah.
Have you been trying many exercises for your fingers?
Yeah.
Keyboards and clicking, like all gamers do. Lifting little weights on your fingers.
And I've got a solution for you.
What is it?
Whoa!
You want to know how you use it?
Yeah.
You twist it.
Twist it.
You can checker it.
Whoa!
You can unchecker it.
Whoa!
You can box it.
Whoa!
And you can break it because you get rage.
Oh no, it didn't break.
You can impress your parents.
Dad, look!
What is it, son?
It's a Rubik's Cube. I learned how to solve it, look. See?
That's really cool, son.
Are you proud of me, Daffy?
Yeah. You can brag to friends.
Yo, Bill, I can solve this right here, right now.
Oh yeah? $50, mate.
Deal, mate.
He can't do anything. This guy thinks he can solve a Rubik's Cube. Only cubers can do that.
John, $50.
If you want to order now, call 1-800-666-CUBE. Once again, call 1-800-666-CUBE. Or just go to your local Banter Mart. Banter! Buy your own Rubik's Cubes now. Ding ding, doo doo doo.